Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can update any graphics card driver. So let's get started. First thing that you have to do is to go to Start and type in Device Manager, just like this. And then go on the first one, Device Manager. Click on that. And after that we go to Display Adapters. And then here, this is my integrated graphics for my processor. So this, it doesn't matter right now, so we need this one. For you maybe it's AMD, for me it's AMD, for you maybe it's NVIDIA or something else. So this is my current graphics, the dedicated one. So just right click on this and go to update driver. Go to search automatically for drivers. And if this says is the best one installed, just go and close. So now let's try another method, which is to manually download the drivers, which I think is the best one to download manually for your graphics card, is to go to search this to Google AMD Radeon R7 200 series. So let's go and type in that on Google. So as you can see, I typed in the R7 200 series download drivers. It's just like this on Device Manager. So as you can see, it's the same numbers I typed, same name. So let's go and search for this now. And then here, then we go to this one, to the first one that is with 200 series AMD Radeon. For you maybe it's NVIDIA or something else. And then we're gonna choose which Windows we have. So I have this one, 64-bit Windows 10. Windows 10 works and Windows 11 are pretty much the same, are working, I tested. And this works on Windows 11, which says Windows 10. So now scroll down and there we go. Now here we can download the drivers and that's it. It's just install from here and that's pretty much it. You have automatic drivers you can download, and this will be in link in the description so you can try it out to automatically detect if you cannot. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, like and share the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.